Start होगा. Hello guys, and this video I am.
Today you're going to have a customer cafe. Let's prepare for its food. We are so hungry. Come on, let's show our poster. Introduction.
Hannah, pause your video and see it for 2 seconds.
I make the today I make the starfishes.
So today that's a really bad noise. But please don't be our turn. Today's special is for Independence Day. We are making Independence food. We can make Independence food. Let's start. I have a container to put some biscuits. It's like Independence biscuits. I added like a pack. This Independent biscuit is for cat. And let's make coffee for our elders and customers. And we should have it fast. Now I'm going to put some juice.
I make the coffee.
So where is our glass?
No, here. Look the coffee.
Oh yeah. I prepared some coffee for our elders and biscuit for elders. And let's make for our sweet kittens. I have a container to make some kitchen for our kitty. And this bowl I'm using for my kitty.
Hey, give me that. I give you. Hey, इसमें पूरा भी इसमें डाला हुआ है.
इसमें जरा पूरा डालने से नहीं. This is for cats. And this is it has juice. The juice. It has some of the cat treats inside. We are giving this cat treats for Independence Day. It's free. I have some treats in milk for cats. Let's make pizza. Somebody cut it. Bag little. Somebody cut it. We have a pizza dough. Let's make a pizza. Like it. Can you cut some vegetables? Okay. I have cut already some vegetables. Yeah, let's make it a pizza. Oh, we made a pizza. Let's cook it on. We are cooking a pizza now.
I picking up
Some rice first. Guys, sorry. Wait a second. I think someone is vomiting. Sorry for the irritating noise. But please watch our video. But before starting to tell our special dishes and serving it, we have to like, comment, and share.
She's not this nice.
So, you can have closer look now. Here, we
can
have
have
a
a
pizza
closer
with vegetables, and we have made it. Let's make a dosa.
This is so pure.
Yes, it's so pure. Now we finish making our things. We finish making
Making
our
our
things.